Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing one of the latest breakthroughs in the world of aviation, the Airbus A321XLR. Let's take a closer look at this aircraft that promises efficiency, comfort, and incredible range. The Airbus A321XLR, which stands for Extra Long Range, is the latest variant of the A321neo family. The aircraft is designed to offer longer flight distances than previous models, enabling direct flights between cities that were previously not directly connected. Airbus introduced the A321XLR at the 2019 Paris Air Show in response to market demand for aircraft in the middle of market range. The aircraft is designed to fill the gap between narrow-body, single-aisle, and wide-body, double-aisle aircraft. Aircraft in this category typically have a larger capacity and range than narrow-body aircraft but smaller than wide-body aircraft. The advantages of these middle-market aircraft are the ability to take off and land on shorter runways compared to wide-body aircraft, as well as better fuel efficiency. The Airbus A321XLR is intended to replace the role of aircraft such as the Boeing 757, which is widely used for medium to long-haul routes. The Boeing 757 itself was last produced in October 2004. Which means it is starting to age because it is at least 20 years old. But what makes the A321XLR so special? Let's take a look at some of its key features. Incredible range. The A321XLR has a range of up to 4,700 nautical miles or about 8,700 kilometers. This allows non-stop flights between cities like New York and Rome or Dubai and Perth. While the out-of-production Boeing 757-200 has a range of 3,915 nautical miles or about 7,250 kilometers. The closest competitor, the Boeing 737 MAX 7, currently has a range of 3,850 nautical miles, 7,130 kilometers. Fuel efficiency. The aircraft is equipped with new, more efficient engines and an additional fuel tank called the Rear Center Tank, RCT, which provides greater fuel capacity without sacrificing cargo space. Passenger comfort. The A321XLR cabin is designed for maximum comfort, with wider seats, more legroom and a quieter cabin. Passengers will also enjoy enhanced in-flight entertainment and faster Wi-Fi. Passenger capacity. The A321XLR with a single-class passenger configuration can accommodate up to 244 passengers, compared to the Boeing 737 MAX 7, which only accommodates 172 passengers with a single-class passenger configuration. Cargo capacity. As for cargo capacity, the A321XLR is capable of carrying up to 3,300 cubic feet, compared to its closest competitor the Boeing 737 MAX 7 with a carrying capacity of 2,865 cubic feet of cargo. For airlines, the A321XLR offers a number of benefits. Low operating costs. With better fuel efficiency and lower maintenance costs, airlines can save significantly on operating costs. In addition, for routes with fewer passengers on weekdays than weekends, the narrow-body aircraft can save operating costs. Route flexibility. Airlines can open new routes without transit that were previously unreachable by narrow-body aircraft, giving them more flexibility in planning their flight network. Reduced delays and disruptions. With the ability to offer direct flights, The A321XLR reduces the need for additional connections that are often bottleneck points at hubs. This can improve schedule reliability and reduce the risk of delays caused by disruptions at major hubs. Airport infrastructure. This aircraft requires adequate facilities but not as large as a wide-body aircraft. This allows regional airports to expand hub and spoke coverage without requiring large investments in airport infrastructure. While the A321XLR is the latest innovation in the narrow-body aircraft category with its long range and efficiency, it still faces some significant challenges when compared to wide-body aircraft. Let's take a deeper look. Operating costs and economies of scale. Wide-body aircraft are often more efficient in terms of cost per seat on high-demand routes. While the A321XLR is fuel-efficient, the operating cost per seat can be higher compared to wide-body aircraft in denser configurations. Wide-body aircraft also often benefit from better economies of scale. Passenger comfort.
Stop it! No, please! Let me take a look! No!
Hey, come here. If you don't stop screwing around back there, this is what I'm gonna do with you.
Wide-body aircraft offer more cabin space with double aisles, providing additional comfort on long-haul flights. The A321XLR, with its narrow-body cabin design, may not offer the same level of comfort on long routes. Regulations and approvals. The A321XLR experienced delays in its initial delivery schedule. This was due to technical issues and delays in the development of components, including an additional fuel tank designed specifically for this variant. At the time of this video, the A321XLR is still pending certification from aviation authorities regarding the safety of the rear center tank, RCT. So while the Airbus A321XLR is an innovative aircraft with many advantages, wide-body aircraft still have the edge in terms of capacity, range, and comfort. The choice between the A321XLR and a wide-body aircraft will depend on the specific needs of the airline and the type of routes to be served. What are your thoughts on this challenge? Can the A321XLR be a game-changer in the aviation market going forward? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching this video. You can help others and support us by share this channel to others.